Hi, hello. On this video, we are going to review the all-new Google Pixel 4. As you see, the retail package is very small. At first, we get a user manual, a USB Type-C port, an adapter that helps transfer from the old phone, and an 18-volt fast charger. It's made up of plastic and comes with one color variant, only black. It comes with a very simple design and has got a fingerprint scanner in the back and a perfect sized medium display with a hole punch camera. Looking at the Pixel 1, it had a massive bezel, and the Pixel 2 it comes with a weird curved edges, and then the Pixel 3 XL with the stupid weird looking notch, and Pixel 4 white back to the sleek bezel. It has got a standard 60Hz display and a Snapdragon 730G processor with 5G available in it. It comes with only one variant, 6GB RAM and a 128GB internal storage. It comes with a standard 3140 mAh battery and has got a 5.81-inch 1080p OLED display. Looking at the camera, it has got 12.2 megapixel primary sensor and a 8 megapixel front-facing camera. Looking more detailed into the camera, it can be magnified up to 7 times. Night mode is looking pretty good in Pixel 4a. These are some of the samples taken with Pixel 4a.
Last year's Pixel 3a, which was so easy to recommend. The 4a has tough competition. Like last year, where there were multiple colors and sizes.
The Google Assistant has got really intelligent features packed on it, which is faster than before. It is able to understand the context of your question much clearer than before. In my opinion, it is the best all-rounder budget killer phone right now in the market. It has really good camera and a very smooth gaming experience, and most importantly, it has got a headphone jack with it. As it is a Google phone, it comes with YouTube Premium, 100 GB of cloud storage and a Google Play Pass. Hope you liked our review about Pixel 4a. If you liked our video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more interesting tech related videos.